Hi geeks, what's up? This is me Sameer. You guys are watching Geekified, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can block phone numbers. Blocking phone numbers will help you to avoid unwanted messages or calls from scammers, stalkers or even telemarketers. In today's video, I'm going to tell you different ways you can use to block phone numbers on your Android phone. Firstly, let's talk about stock Android for people who own Google Pixel devices or people who uses Google's default communication apps like Google Phone or Google Contacts. So before starting with our first method, there is one crucial setting you should turn on, and to do that, you need to open Phones app, tap on three-dot button, go into settings, tap on caller ID and spam, and make sure you toggle on caller ID and spam, and again filter spam calls. So let's start with our first method, and that is how you can block numbers from recent in the phone app. This is the easiest way to block a number from which you got a call recently. Open Phones app, tap on recents, now tap and hold on a number you want to block. Now select block report spam. Now again tap on block. So it's that easy to block a number from which you have recently received a call. Next method is to block a number from contact list in the phone app. This method allows you to block a number which you have saved already in your contact list. To do that, you need to open Phone app and select Contacts, or you can also open Contacts app by default and select a contact you want to block, for example Ash King. Scroll down, and from here you can select block numbers, then again tap on block, and voila, we have successfully blocked this number. Now let's talk about what if you want to enter a number manually and block it. To do that, you need to open Phone app, tap on three-dot button in the search bar, select settings, now tap on block numbers, select add number, enter your desired number and then tap on block. So that's how you manually enter a number and block it. So till now I was talking about how to block a number to avoid unwanted calls. But what if you want to avoid unwanted messages? To do that, you need to open Messages app, select a conversation from a sender you want to block. For example, let's select this one, tap on three-dot button, and from here, select block and report spam and tap on OK. And that's how you block a number from sending you annoyed text messages again and again. But what if your number gets leaked on a public domain and you are receiving hell amount of annoying calls from unknown numbers? Then what you should do? Open Phone app, tap on three-dot button, select setting, tap on block number, and make sure you have toggled on block calls from unidentified callers. So toggling this setting on will stop any unidentified caller from calling you. So these are methods for people who use stock Android or Google's own native app. But what if you're a Samsung user? How to block numbers in Samsung's device? It's very simple. You can open Contacts app, search for a number you want to block. For example, let's go with this one, and tap on three-dot button and select block contact. Again, tap on block. So it's that simple for Samsung users. You have to just open Contact app, search for contact and block it. And lastly, let's talk about what if you want to enter a number manually and block it on Samsung's phone. To do that, you need to open Phone app, tap on three-dot button, select settings, and from here, tap on block numbers, and you can add your desired number like this and add. So as you can see, we have successfully manually added a number in our block list. And make sure you have toggled on block calls from unknown number, as it will stop any unknown callers from calling you. So these were the methods you can use to block unknown callers from reaching out to you. But what if they're still persistent enough to reach out to you and annoy you? Then my friend, you need to contact to your carrier provider. Either it can be AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon if you're in USA, or it can be Airtel, Jio or VI if you're in India. You can ask these guys to help you by telling them to block a specific number or activate DND services on your contact number. Alternatively, you can also use third-party apps like Truecaller to filter out calls, but I won't suggest that because these third-party apps collect your data, personal data, SMSs, chats, and of course call logs, and they store it on their server, because of which I don't trust these guys. But if you want to, you can use them. So that's all guys for today's video. I hope you liked the information I gave to you. If you did, then make sure you like the video and do let me know in the comment section if you have any another way to block spammers from reaching out to you. While you're down there, make sure you subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any amazing, useful content like this. And on this note, this is me Samir signing off, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, tata, see ya, bye bye.